Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start at the console, power on your Xbox Series X, and confirm it's online so name changes sync to your profile. Next, sign in with the Microsoft account tied to this gamer tag. If two-step verification is active, complete that prompt. Once signed in, pause and confirm the exact new gamer tag you want. This avoids repeats and filter rejections. Make sure it meets length and character rules, because changes propagate across Xbox Live and link services. On your profile, press the Xbox button to open the guide, then navigate to Profile and System and select your profile. From there, choose Customize Profile and pick the gamer tag field. Type the name you planned, then use the availability checker. Xbox offers alternative suggestions if it's taken. Once you see an available option, confirm it. The console will tell you if this is a free first change or if a small charge applies. After confirming, the system updates your live identity across the Xbox ecosystem. After confirming the new gamer tag, sign out and back in on other devices to force immediate refresh. Some apps cache old names. If the change fails, make sure your Microsoft account has a valid payment method. For paid changes, verify Microsoft service status and check content filters that might block the name. If problems persist, go to Account, Microsoft.com, or open the Xbox mobile app to repeat the change there. This alternate route often bypasses console glitches and complete.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.